And while solving the ACCA practice platform question, please make sure to also use examiner report along with that, because in the examiner report there are certain mistakes which has been highlighted by the examiner regarding the student performance during that attempt. So it's very important to go to the examiner report, and after you have done with all this, in the last, please read the mind of the examiner document. It's also very important. I have mentioned this in the multiple of times in my many videos. So these are the things that you should focus for the next 30 days for SBR. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much.